Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a really quick video. This will help you if you're trying to use the law of attraction. So check out some of my other videos for the step-by-step. I did a series of videos that will give you a step-by-step process on how to use it. But in this video, I wanted to give you something that will help if you're trying to use it and maybe it's not working for you that quick, or even if you can get it working for you, this will make it far easier. So the thing that you want to do to begin with, and this is just in my experience that works really, really well, is when you know what you want, instead of going straight into the law of attraction steps, which might differ between us, but you know the steps, like start thinking about what you want and act as if you already have it, and start sort of surrounding yourself with it and start feeling good and positive. What I recommend that you do before you do any of that is just take a few days, or even a day, it depends per person, but a few days where you're going to clear your mind of all the crap that's built up. And you'll find that the things you're trying to manifest or attract into your life, whether you believe it's a metaphysical, quantum physics type force that's working for you, or whether it's just your reticular activation system noticing the things more, whatever way you believe it works, you'll find that it works better in both respects. Because if you actually focus on just resetting, relaxing, being the person you want to be that's able to have the things you want to have first, before you follow any of the steps, you'll be in a much better frame of mind. And the cool thing about it is, just a word of advice on that, is you do it through a sense of ease and well-being. So there's nothing that's forced here, and there's nothing that's, you're not gritting your teeth and trying to relax, okay? I know it sounds, when you say it, it sounds bizarre, but the amount of people, including myself, that do try and force themselves to relax and calm down when it's just ease. So take a day, even half hour, an hour, whatever works for you, and do a couple of sessions before you start using the law of attraction where you're just relaxing, and you'll notice that it works a lot better for you. But come back and let me know how you get on. If you're interested in the law of attraction and want a step-by-step guide, my step-by-step guide that I actually wrote, so I'm not saying I'm a guru on this stuff, but I actually tell you about something that I manifested into my life that I didn't think I would have. It's quite a big thing. I'll leave it as a surprise, but you can check out the guide at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I'll put the link below. It's totally free. You'll get an email a day with the steps that I followed, and you're welcome to try them too. And let me know, subscribe, let me know how you get on. And I'm interested in knowing your views on the law of attraction as well. What's your thoughts? Do you use it? Is it something that you believe in? Is it something that you think's nonsense? Is it something you use but you believe it works in a different way? Let me know in the comments. I'll be interested to know your views. Give that a go, guys. I think it will work for you. And remember to get your free guide below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.